Hello everyone and welcome to the lecture on image processing. Today we are going to solve the numerical on low pass averaging filter. Now this is our 3x3 mask of low pass filter. The mask coefficient for low pass filter is having value 1/9, 1/9, 1/9, 1/9, 1/9, 1/9, 1/9, 1/9, 1/9. Okay, now what we have to do here, we have taken one 8x8 image. I have taken a slightly bigger image to show you the proper result, or to understand the averaging filter concept, the bigger image is taken. Okay, so what we have to do, as per the procedure, we have to keep this mask on this particular first pixel. Okay, here we have to keep this mask like this, and then we have to multiply the coefficient W1 with first pixel value, then coefficient W2 with second pixel value, then coefficient W3 with third pixel value. Similarly, coefficient W4 with this pixel value, W5 with this pixel value, W6 with this pixel value, W7 with this pixel, W8 with this pixel, and W9 with this pixel. And we have to take the summation of all these pixels. Okay, and we have to put our result at the center of the mask, means at this location we have to put our result. Now likewise, after doing this, we have to move this mask to right by one position, and again we have to follow the same procedure. Okay, then we have to replace this particular pixel by the result, and again we have to move this mask to one position like this. So once we reach at the end location, after this what we have to do, we have to shift this mask to one position down, and we have to start doing the same procedure for next row. Like this we have to move our mask like this, and at the end up to this we have to do this particular mask multiplication process. But here if you observe, after multiplying the image with this low pass averaging filtering mask, what happens here, you can observe only these pixels are going to modify. The border pixels will be remain unchanged, since our center of mask coefficient can overlap with this pixel only, or only these pixels. Okay, the border pixels will be unchanged in this case. And to work on this border pixel, what we have to do, we have to use the zero padding of the image. Okay, so to work on border pixels, zero pad the image. Now what do you mean by zero pad the image? Zero pad the image means we have to add the zeros at the top row or above first row, at the same time at the end of last row, and before and after first and last column. That means we have to add one row of zeros at the beginning like this, one row of zero at the end of image like this, one row of column at the starting like this, and at the end we have to again add the row of zero like this, sorry, column like this. So this is called as zero pad the image or zero padded image. And then now we have to use our mask. Now the mask values are 1 by 9 into 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. These are the mask values for low pass averaging filter. Now we have to multiply these mask values with this zero padded image. Now when you put this mask over the zero padded image, what happens? Here this W1 will coincide with this 0 pixel which is zero padded like this, and W5 will coincide with the very first pixel from the image, that means on the border pixel of the image. So by this way we can do the low pass filtering or averaging filtering over the given image. Okay, so now if we move, what happens? For this, what we can do, we can write for pixel 10, our result will be here. W1 means this coefficient, it is 1 by 9. So 1 by 9 into 0 plus 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 1 by 9 into 10 plus 1 by 9 into 10 plus 1 by 9 into 10 plus 1 by 9 into 0 plus 1 by 9 into 10 plus 1 by 9 into 10 plus 1 by 9 into 10. Okay, so this is 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, so the modified value for pixel 10 will be equals to, this is 10 by 9 plus 10 by 9 plus 10 by 9 plus 10 by 9. So it is 40 divided by 9. Sorry, it is not 40, but it is 60 divided by 9. This is 10, this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So 60 divided by 9 will be the value for the very first pixel, this pixel. Okay. Likewise we have to perform. So for next we have to move our mask from first position to the next position, and likewise we have to do the processing for the averaging filtering. Now we'll solve one numerical based on this averaging filter.